Hi, it's Matt from Octane. I hope you're well. Here we are with our latest walk around video and our latest addition to stock. Sorry about the sun, it's playing havoc with us this morning, but nonetheless we're going to have a go and get into the detail of this absolutely stunning 2018 Volkswagen Transporter 2-litre TDI T6 150 Highline DSG automatic with one owner. Sometimes you just stumble across these. I mean, we search the length and breadth of the country to buy these vans, and we reject more than we buy. Any customer of ours will know that with us. We travelled just under 300 miles each way to buy this from a lovely family who'd owned it pretty much from new. They'd owned it from it being 21 days old, and they'd owned it for just over 8.5 years. So effectively one owner from new. Great service history, fantastic spec on this, which I'll get into now. So it's a 2018 March registered by the dealer in March 18 for just 21 days before our customer bought it from them. Like I say, they owned it for 8.5 years and used it for absolutely everything. Family, bit of work, but I suppose when your work is surfing for a living, it's kind of a little bit of pleasure as well. But nonetheless, been privately owned and used from new by one family. So T32, deep black pearl metallic black cloth, twin captains, loads of features and benefits on this. Let's get into the details. So start at the front. Factory active adaptive Bi-Xenon headlights, which if you've ever drove one of these in the dark, you'll know they transform these. Not only the appearance, but what they do is superb. We've got front sensors while we're down there. We've got a Sportline front lower spoiler and splitter, which have been fitted by ourselves. They are a new addition to the vehicle, fresh, and really give it what a great stance. We've got the LV4, brand new LV4 bronze load bearing wheels. They're 20-inch with brand new tyres, brand new wheels, and they're in the light bronze colour, which against the black just offsets really well. It's like the old Lotus colours back in the day, if you remember those, the John Player special cars. We've got new chrome side trapezoid bars, just been freshly detailed and machine polished by our superb in-house detailer. Front sensors, as you can see, all the way around. Twin sliders, guys, so it's got sliding doors to each side. Offset rears on this as well, rear mud flaps. Super van, super van. 150 automatic. This is the place to put your money, I think, going forward. These last T6s, superb. LED rears. Let's dive inside. I'll go in the back first. Like I say, twin sliding doors, Isofix, bench seat, 60/40 split, freshly carpeted throughout the rear. LED spotlights, which can be operated on a remote control, carpeted down the doors. Lovely on the rear load deck, as you can see, very light use. Smells lovely in here with the fresh carpet. Really nice low down. We've got twin captain seats, upholstery's in great condition, nice down the door shuts. Look at those seats, really nice, really well cared for. Automatic gearbox, discovery navigation, air conditioning, park distance, heated screen, all the original books and papers with this one. Leather steering wheel, which is in great condition, by the way. Electric windows, look how well it looks. Really like this. As I say, twin sliders, which is an absolute great feature on these. A lot of people look for those. Original dealer key rings, original auto headlights, cruise control, leather steering wheel in great condition, 86,000 miles. As I say, one owner, nice in the footwells, really nice. Driver's seat in great condition, really nice this. Darkened rear glass, Rain sensing wipers, cruise control, as I said. Touched on that this has been carpeted. This is fresh, the carpet, ladies and gentlemen. It's just been done by our team here at Octane, all the way along the tailgate. It's got a tow bar, it's got rear sensors, heated front windscreen. Great service history with this. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the service book, and we will service it prior to it leaving ourselves. So that'll come with an inspection, oil filter, air filter, up-to-date change on that. Cam belt and water pump done in 23 at 65,000 miles. We've got the documentation to support that. Great service history, HPI clear, one owner from new. Absolutely stunning, absolutely stunning. Twin captains, it's everything really. Great place to be. Drive superb, brand new tyres, come with a fresh MOT and a warranty as well from ourselves. This will be live on our website later today. Don't think it'll be around long. In great demand these 150s. But there you go, one owner, lots of spec, great history, good colour combination, new wheels, new tyres, everything you could possibly wish for. Be great to show you around. Thank you for watching.